Hello to you, my subscribers and returning subscribers. So there is a lot I'm going to talk about, and it's none other story than the story of Ned Nwoko and his divorced Moroccan wife. Remember that his wife, former wife, ex-wife, so to say, Laila from Morocco, is her fifth wife. She revealed to Nigerians, or she made it public, or she let us know about her divorce with an Instagram post. Laila, in an Instagram post, said that she is no longer with Ned Nwoko. This is what Laila posted on her Instagram story. She posted, "Hello guys, I just want to say that no one has right to talk about my marriage. Please stop talking about people's life, and I have divorced already and nothing between me and him. And anybody follow me because of him, you can unfollow me, please. Thanks." So the Moroccan wife of Ned Nwoko got divorced from him, and of course it was too easy for so many Nigerians to believe and conclude that she separated from Ned Nwoko owing to Kanyamata product, or aphrodisiac product that Jaruma gave to Regina Daniels. Recall that Regina Daniels was maybe called upon, or she decided to model Jaruma's Kanyamata product. So it's just like a deal which Regina Daniels agreed to advertise it for Jaruma. And of course, we know what happened. I think last month November, Jaruma decided to call Regina Daniels out, because when the Moroccan wife of Ned Nwoko, Laila, separated from Ned Nwoko, many Nigerians started tagging Jaruma, tagging her, congratulating her, appreciating her for her Jaruma Kanyamata product, because they believe that it was Jaruma's Kanyamata product that Regina Daniel maybe started using that made Ned Nwoko to divorce his Moroccan wife. And even as at that, Jaruma also took advantage of that and started selling her product, started advertising her Jaruma Kanyamata product, which later Regina Daniels came up to clear the air. She posted on her Instagram page also that she has never used Jaruma's product. She just modeled it, that is, she just branded the product for her, and it's just like a deal which has already expired, which already got Jaruma angry. Jaruma was calling, she called out Regina Daniels to give her money back. We all, came across the story on Instagram and on YouTube, on Facebook. So many people carried it on, so many bloggers carried it on. In fact, Jaruma says she paid Regina Daniels money to be at least posting about her Kanyamata product once in every week, but Regina Daniels wasn't doing just that. And because of Regina Daniels' post where she dissed Jaruma and her Kanyamata product, Jaruma decided to post every of the contents she created with Regina Daniels as regards to her Kanyamata product. And since then, all of this drama, was going on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube. People were carrying Ned Nwoko, and his team did not, respond to it. But right now, as I talk to you, Ned Nwoko has now responded as to reasons. He has now given Nigerians the reason why his Moroccan wife was divorced. Remember that Ned Nwoko is the former member of the House of Representatives. He opened up about his separation from his Moroccan wife, Laila, revealing the reasons for the end of their marriage. A statement from his team, Ned Nwoko's team, through his Instagram page, he also dispelled rumors that his separation was linked to the use of a local aphrodisiac called Kanyamata, sold by Hawa Mohammed, popularly known as Jaruma. In October, Laila publicly revealed that she was divorced from the politician. As a result, some fans, of course, like I said, has accused Regina Daniels of using Kanyamata product, Jaruma's product, to end Laila's marriage. However, the recent statement from Ned Nwoko yesterday revealed that his marriage with Laila ended or degenerated to irreconcilable differences rooted in indecent conduct on the part of Laila, which started while she was on holiday in London. The statement reads in part, the attention of the Prince Ned Nwoko's media directorate has been drawn to a publication trending especially in the social media linking his separation with his Moroccan-born wife Laila Nwoko to the influence of a local aphrodisiac called Kayamata, vended by one Hawa Mohammed or Said Mohammed, commonly known as Jaruma. Nwoko's team further maintained that the family had no connection with Jaruma on her products. Ned Nwoko also wished to reiterate that himself and the entire family had no connection with Jaruma products, contrary to false narratives, even as he bears no blame on the widely reported divorce issue with Laila. But the main hit story in Ned Nwoko's publication or post, maybe he's the one that made the post or his media team, is the fact that though Jaruma claims to be selling, Kayamata that will help people to keep their husband, that will help people to, snatch ladies, most especially, that will help ladies to snatch husbands, away from other women, or that will help ladies to keep their husband. Ned Nwoko's media team revealed that Jaruma got married and did not stay with her husband for up to even a year. Did that sink in? Now, this is what the message reads. We note with a sense of responsibility that Prince Ned Nwoko has nothing whatsoever to do with Jaruma products in relation to his cordial relationship with his actress wife, Regina Daniels. As for Jaruma, who claimed that her Kayamata is working on Ned Nwoko and that was why his wife Laila left, such speculation is baseless and laughable. To put the records in clear perspective, let us ask Jaruma. Jaruma married a younger man. How come the marriage that produced a child ended barely after 1 year? How come the Kayamata didn't work on the husband? Gullible fans might not know that the ex-husband left her despite the Kayamata effects on him. What a joke. Did you hear that? Jaruma married and left her marriage, probably left her marriage. Her marriage did not last up to 2 years according to Ned Nwoko's publication. So if actually her Kayamata is working, because since the news of Laila's divorce from Ned Nwoko, Jaruma has capitalized on that. In fact, she's making products that she's calling Jaruma Better Pass Morocco or Jaruma Pass Aladdin. So she has been advertising such product. She has been using it all the while. So according to Ned Nwoko's publication, if her Kayamata product is working, and of course she married a younger man too, just like Regina Daniels married an older man. She's young, she married an older man, and Jaruma married a younger man. Why didn't her marriage last? Why didn't her Kayamata work on the man? The marriage did not last. And even according to reports, even after she separated from her husband, she continued to make the public believe that she was still with her husband, until one man named Ayamneta Isabo, he said, I find her recent post disturbed. My brother Rose and Jaruma have been separated for a while now, and we kept it discreet because we didn't want to entertain unnecessary drama. This afternoon, a friend of mine sent me a post by Jaruma that clearly portrays a lie that she is still with my brother Rose. They have been separated for almost 2 years. She has blocked all of the Isabos family. I have not communicated with any of them in 2 years. This is a woman that we all loved and accepted against all odds, but we never knew her intentions would be to tarnish our image, especially my brothers. So Jaruma got separated from her husband despite her Kayamata effect. So that's what Ned Nwoko highlighted. Meanwhile, Ned Nwoko also pointed out that he divorced his Moroccan wife Laila owing to her indecent behavior. According to him, he said that Laila went to London and he was flirting with a man, with an unknown man, a man who is not her husband. And while in the process, she had an issue with the said man and hired a lawyer without informing her husband. And due to her indecent behavior, she contracted COVID-19 too, and she didn't take care of her kids. She also, Ned also revealed that she has to beat those kids. She beat up her kids, which is one of the reasons Laila got divorced. She said Laila met physically in London with the man. According to her lawyer, Laila met with a man in a hotel where he was working. Diligent checks, however, revealed that they met actually on the internet 8 months earlier while in London. She had issues with the man, which attracted the police. Then she got a lawyer and reported the matter between her and the man. She never informed Prince Ned Nwoko about her matter with the man, which involved the London police and lawyer. How could a wife have issues with a man that led to the engagement of a lawyer and official complaint to the police in London without informing her husband? Up till now, according to Ned Nwoko's publication, Ned Nwoko does not know the details of what had transpired in London. He is totally unaware. One of her friends later told Ned Nwoko that Laila was only engaged in chats. So Laila was living a reckless life. She neglected her kids, violence on it was violent on them, and she had plastic surgery also without the knowledge of her husband. So her wayward life abroad, contact with a man, police case, and involvement of lawyer in London were the major concerns that Ned Nwoko found disturbing and unacceptable. This is what Ned Nwoko revealed in his letter. In all these weighty allegations, her only defense was that someone set her up. She never explained who did and for what purpose. So Laila was divorced because of this that Ned Nwoko pointed out. She neglected her kids. She was violent on them. She had plastic surgery without the knowledge of her husband. And she had expensive holiday too, which Ned Nwoko, of course, was equal to the task. Made all the payments. But in stories like this that has to do with couples, two married people, listening to both sides of the story is always the best. Yes, we have heard Ned Nwoko's side of the story. We would love to hear Laila's side of the story. But the main thing there is Jaruma claimed that it was a Kayamata product that led to Laila's divorce, which not only Ned Nwoko, Regina Daniels first, dispelled the rumor. She was the one that said, though, she decided to be an ambassador of Jaruma's product, like you have seen in the video, she did not use Jaruma's products. And also, Ned Nwoko coming to back it up, that the Kayamata did not have any effect on him whatsoever, as to the reason why Laila was divorced. And if the Kayamata product is effective, why didn't it keep Jaruma's husband? Hello guys, what do you think of Ned Nwoko's publication? Laila got divorced because of her indecent behavior, having a man, expensive London holiday, being violent on her kids, plastic surgery without her husband's knowledge, and also she hired the lawyer without informing her husband. Remember that Ned Nwoko is an international lawyer, and of such, if Laila got herself into such problem, Ned Nwoko in one way or the other might know about it because he's an international and he has contacts. So what do you think of Ned Nwoko's publication today from him or from the media team? Do you think that Ned Nwoko is right by saying that this is the reason why he divorced his Moroccan fifth wife, Laila, because of her indecent behavior? Or do you think that we still need to wait to hear Laila's own side of the story? Thank you, guys.